Welcome to Neural Chatter, the podcast where we dive deep into the fascinating and sometimes frightening world of artificial intelligence.
And today we are tackling a topic that even the creators of AI are a little bit shaken up. We're talking about GPT-5.
Absolutely. I mean, Leo, have you seen this quote from Sam Altman, the OpenAI CEO? He compared GPT-5's power to the Manhattan Project. That's the project that developed first nuclear weapons, for context.
Yeah, I saw that, and he admitted, I feel useless. It's terrifying. What we've created is unlike anything humanity has ever seen. I mean, wow, that's a bold statement, isn't it?
It really is. It's not just like corporate drama. It feels like a genuine alarm bell.
So for our listeners who might be thinking, okay, GPT-4 was already amazing. What exactly is GPT-5? How is it different?
Well, it's the latest generative AI model in OpenAI's GPT series. But here's the kicker. It's not just smarter, it's agentic.
Agentic? What does that even mean?
It means it can reason independently, take multi-step actions on its own, access tools, browse the web. It can make decisions. It can operate with long-term goals rather than just, responding to a prompt.
So it's not just a chatbot anymore. It's like a digital mind. That's what the article said, right?
Exactly, a digital mind. That's a pretty intense way to put it.
And this is why I guess experts are getting nervous. It's not that GPT-5 is inherently evil, but its capabilities are just so advanced.
Yeah, I mean, the autonomy and control aspect alone is wild. It can initiate and follow through on tasks without user prompting. Like, book my vacation, handle my email, optimize my business website, and keep doing it forever.
Forever? So it just keeps going. That raises huge questions about who's actually in charge.
Exactly. And then there's the exponential learning. Early tests show it can teach itself new skills, adapt to unknown problems, write better code than most engineers. This isn't just language prediction, it's emergent intelligence.
That's unsettling, to say the least. What about security risks? I heard something about autonomous cyber weapons.
Yeah, that's one of the concerns. Could it be used for that, or could it even jailbreak itself from safety protocols? Nobody really knows.
And that ties back to the Manhattan Project comparison, right? It's about creating something powerful and, well, irreversible.
Yeah, Sam Altman is basically saying, we're entering a point of no return. GPT-5 could reshape civilization or destabilize it. It's a pretty stark warning.
So what's the plan? OpenAI says they're rolling it out gradually, with safety reviews and controls. But critics aren't convinced.
No, they're not. Critics argue that AI safety research can't keep up. These models are already leaking into the open source world, and governments and corporations are racing to build their own agentic AIs with apparently no rules in place.
So it's not just about, better chatbots. It's about who controls this powerful technology.
And what kind of future we want. Are we as humanity ready for AI that can think, act, and adapt on its own? It feels like we're witnessing something historic, but potentially dangerous.
So what can our listeners do, Nova? I mean, beyond just, being scared.
Good question, Leo. First, stay informed. This isn't just tech news, it's human news. Second, push for transparency and regulation in AI development. And finally, use AI wisely, but never blindly.
Excellent advice. That's all the time we have for today on Neural Chatter.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you next time.